Hello, and welcome. You're here, and that's already enough. Maybe today was heavy. Maybe your mind is still racing. Or maybe you're just looking for a moment to breathe again. I invite you to sit comfortably, cross-legged on the floor, or on a cushion, or in a chair. Whatever feels good for you right now. Let your hands rest softly. Shoulders drop. Jaw unclenches. This is your space. This is your reset. Now close your eyes, or simply soften your gaze. Let's begin by simply breathing. No control yet, just awareness. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Do it again. Breath in and breath out. Begin to notice how the breath feels in your body. With each exhale, allow your mind to soften. Let go of any need to perform or do anything. What we're about to do is called box breathing. It's a simple and powerful method used by Navy SEALs, doctors, therapists, and now you. 4 parts, 4 equal counts. Inhale for 6 seconds, then hold 6 seconds. Exhale for 6, and at the end, hold it again for 6 seconds. This resets your nervous system, increases focus, reduces anxiety, and restores calm. You can do it anywhere, anytime. But right now, you'll do it here, with me. Let's begin. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Inhale. Hold the air. Exhale slowly. And hold. You're doing great. Stay here with the breath. Let's do it again. Inhale. Hold the air. Exhale slowly. and hold. Inhale. Hold the air. Exhale slowly and hold. Inhale. Hold the air. Exhale slowly and hold. Give yourself a break. Try to think about your breath. Okay, now start last session, but this time do it without me. Inhale. 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 You did it. That's all for today. Begin to waking your body. Slowly return to your natural breath. Gently open your eyes and start moving your fingers. Remember, you can return to this space whenever you need. If you enjoyed this, explore more breathing techniques, yoga nidra, or meditative soundscapes, all right here on this channel. Take care of yourself. Feel alive again. Relax